So our first product of today is a Louis Vuitton wallet, a zip wallet in the color white. The packaging looked really good. The only issue was it was hard to open, but when I was able to open the package, the quality of the packaging of the wallet looked really good. The color and the font looked really good. Also the material. The wallet was also wrapped in thin paper, and there were also, like, I think there are some certificates or some stuff that Louis Vuitton always puts in their boxes. Also that looked really good. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be in there, but looked good. So here we have the wallet. The leather quality was really good. Also the zipper, no issues there. It's a woman wallet. I thought it was for both. It was unisex, but it's a wallet for a woman, and you can leave your cards and some money in there, also some change, but I'll give that away to my mom. And now we continue with the t-shirt, the Revenge t-shirt with the Juice WRLD print. The tag looked really good, also the sizing was right. It's true to size, the quality looked really good. The print looked really good, it felt really good. It was a really good print. Only issue was there was like some stuff that you have to cut away with a scissor, but other than that it looked really good. It came in a plastic bag with a Revenge print, and on the back side there's nothing, so it's only in the front side there's a print. And as you can see, it's printed on the plastic bag as well, Revenge. The next object is a Vlone tee with the purple V on the back. Also looked really good, the print felt really nice. Also the tag was right, and it also is true to size. It wasn't that expensive. Also the Vlone tag was there. On the back side the big purple V for Vlone. Really good. It also came in a plastic bag with the Vlone print, with the zip, so you can close it or like reuse it for stuff. Next up we have two pairs of socks. Actually are free. They were really good. They were too thick for the summer but perfect for the winter, so they're really good quality. I like my socks in the summer very thin, so they were too thick for me, but I'll keep them for the winter. And I have 3 pairs of them. So here's the third pair. They were like $2.50 each, so a really good price for that. So now we have here some cases for phones. I ordered them in different colorways, and for 2 models, the iPhone XR or the iPhone X. Here you can see some issues with the yellow one. It was, I mean, they're $2.50. If they come with issue, you just have to, if you put them on the phone, it will fit over time. I have another black one. They came with some plastic stuff inside to protect them, but can't say anything if they're only $2.50. Here we have the 5th pair of the case, also just a black one. I ordered for a friend of mine. Then we come to our first pair of shoes. The box is really damaged, but I mean, if you buy wraps, you normally don't use the box, so it doesn't matter. The tag looked good, but how I said, it doesn't matter. Like here you can see some details of the damaged box, but all I care is about the shoe. And the shoe was insane. The leather quality was really good. It also has some suede. They're called Cocoa Milk on the PandaBuy link. By the way, all the links are in the spreadsheet. The stars looked really good. No issues with that. Also the Nike logo on the bottom. There are no glue stains or so. The back, the Nike logo looked really good. The tongue was absolutely okay. See no issue there. Also the inside tag looked really good. You can see it now. Looked really good. So also the second part of the second shoe looked really good. No issues. The suede here, you can see the suede looks really good. And they were around 30 bucks, so not that much, and the quality is absolutely insane. Here you can see the suede again on the white part of the shoe next to the swoosh. So let's put them away and we come to our next pair. It's also a Nike Dunk Low in the color olive green and white. The box looked way better, also the tag, the logo. And the leather quality was insane. Same here, that's the same shop where I got those from. And yeah, they were absolutely insane, no issues. Color was right, logo was right, tag was right, everything, tongue. The stars look good. Also the leather is really good, no glue stains. Looks really good. The Nike logo inside is right color. So now let's see if the tag inside is also good. Let's pull this shit out. Come on, let's go. Now we can see the barcode inside, the tag inside looks really good. Now we have a better look, but it looks good as well. The code is right. Also the tongue, really good, no issues there. And also the second one looks really good. I mean, overall it's a perfect shoe, no one's gonna bust you. The Nike in the back looks good. Also down here it's pretty much the same quality, it's perfect. Now let's put those away as well, and we will bring in some Air Force 107 triple white. So here we got the Air Force in triple white. Those were like $25 and quality is better than the last ones I got. The tag looks good, no glue stains, the inside tag perfect. So the sole also looks good, the stars perfect, the tag. I'm not sure if the Nike logo should be, the Nike font should be like this, but I mean, who's gonna look at your sole? And this metal thing here is not like in the first one, in my first haul. This one is way thicker and you can really feel it's better quality. Here we have the second pair, it's just another size for a friend of mine. Same shoe, same shop, pretty much perfect. Now we have here some keychains that are the same shop as last time. I ordered some more, I find them funny. This one also actually lights up in the dark and it's really cool to have them. So our last object is a Vlone Juice WRLD mask with the 999 and the Vlone. It's really good. It costs like $2-3. It's really good quality for $3. It's just fine to have.